Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Revolut crypto trading. As a beginner or experienced trader, it is essential to understand the fundamentals of crypto trading and how to use Revolut effectively. First, let's start with the basics. Revolut is a financial app that allows users to buy, sell, and hold various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To get started, you need to download the Revolut app, create an account, and verify your identity. Once you have set up your account, it's crucial to understand the different types of orders you can place on Revolut. There are two main types: market orders and limit orders. A market order allows you to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at the current market price, while a limit order enables you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. To minimize risks and maximize profits, it's vital to have a solid understanding of risk management strategies. This includes setting stop-loss orders, which automatically sell your assets when they reach a certain price, and take-profit orders, which sell your assets when they reach a specific profit target. Another essential aspect of crypto trading is diversification. This involves spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies to reduce exposure to market volatility. For example, you can allocate a portion of your portfolio to Bitcoin, another portion to Ethereum, and a smaller portion to a lesser-known cryptocurrency. Staying up to date with market news and trends is also critical. Revolut provides real-time price updates and news feeds to help you make informed decisions. You can also set up price alerts to notify you when a cryptocurrency reaches a certain price. In terms of security, Revolut takes several measures to protect your assets, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and cold storage. However, it's still essential to use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your device and account information secure. Finally, it's crucial to be aware of the fees associated with crypto trading on Revolut. These include transaction fees, exchange fees, and withdrawal fees. Make sure you understand these fees before placing any trades. By following these best practices, you can effectively use Revolut for crypto trading and minimize risks. Remember to stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and use risk management strategies to maximize your profits. With practice and patience, you can become a successful crypto trader on Revolut.